Remember the brakes fell out there. That's not that scary. Remember the valve over there?
Like that?
We'd like to welcome you to Phoenix. The local time is 3:37. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and the aisleways clear. The captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating it is safe to stand. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items as articles may have shifted during the flight. Cell phones may now be used out of airplane mode. And if you're making a connection here in Phoenix, please check the TV monitor screens for your most current flight and gate information or go to usairways.com on your phone. Thank you for choosing US Airways. Have a great stay here in Phoenix or wherever your final destination may be. If you are continuing on this flight,